Yo, and welcome back sa our daily request. So for tonight, bigyan natin ng chance yung pangalawang nag-request. So, I'm gonna sing Only Hope by, not by Mandy, but by Switchfoot in the house, yo! So, this was requested by Marvin Gamba Marabulas. So, siguro, dedicate request niya to para sa sarili niya. So, wala siya sinabi kung para kanino. So, siguro para sa kanya na lang. So, I'm gonna sing this song, Only Hope, once again by Switchfoot. Gusto ko lang kantahin tong song na to, particular song na to na walang kahit na anong background music, something like that. For the first time ever, rock and roll, yo, keep it real. Wala lang, I just feel like singing it lang with in a cappella version. So so yun, I'm gonna sing this once again, Only Hope by Switchfoot in a cappella, yo baby, yo. Here. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, yeah! There's a song that inside of my soul. It's the one that I've tried to write over and over again. I'm awake in the infinite calm, but she sings to me over and over and over again. So I lay my head back down and I lift my hands and pray to be only yours. I pray to be only yours. I know you're my only home. Yeah! You sing to me of the song of the stars, of your galaxy, then sing and laughing again. When it feels like my dreams are so far, you sing to me of the plans that you have for me over again. And I lay my head back down and I lift my hands and pray to be only yours. I pray to be only yours. I know now you're my only home. Yeah, I give you my empathy. I'm giving you all of me. I want your symphony, singing in all that I am, at the top of my lungs, and I'm giving it back. And I lay my head back down and I lift my hands and pray to be only yours. I pray to be only yours. I know now you're my only home. Tururun, turun, tururun, tururun. Yo, yeah, that's it. Keep it cool, yo. So once again, that was Only Hope by Switchfoot, requested by Marvin. So I did it in a cappella. So wala lang, gusto ko lang, mas feel ko kasing kantahin ng acapella eh. So, para mas lumabas yung voice ko. So, yun. So, for you Marvin, bali lakas ha, lokos! Kaka-add lang sa FB, tapos makapag-request ka agad. So, anyway, free naman mag-request kahit na sino. So, kahit nakaka-add pa lang. So, okay lang. No problem. Keep it up, bro. Yun, I hope nagustuhan mo, and that's for you. Basta always remember, keep it cool, keep it real, keep it clean. See you too. Nah. Rock and roll, baby. Keep it, yeah. Keep it cool. So, yun, I hope you like it, and that's for you. Have a good night, and yeah. Thanks for supporting, and just keep supporting. That's it. Good night. Babu. Yan. Bye. Good night. Yo.